This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the Deeprio watch to at least half and power it on. Open the Deeprio app on your phone and create or sign into your account so the app can manage settings. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. These let the app discover the watch. Once done, tap Add Device in the app and follow the on-screen prompt to begin the automatic pairing search. This gets you into the active pairing stage immediately. You'll see your Deeprio watch appear in the app's device list. Select it and confirm the pairing code shown on both screens so you know you're connecting the right unit. Grant the requested permissions, notifications, location, and health data because they let the watch sync calls, alerts, and fitness metrics. If the app prompts for a firmware update, allow it. Updates fix stability and add features. Make sure your phone stays close to the watch and avoid heavy app You finish by syncing health and notification settings, picking a watch face, and enabling the alerts you want. This ensures the watch fits your daily routine. Test incoming call and message alerts, then check heart rate and step counts to confirm data flows to the app. If everything looks good, enable automatic backups and set Do Not Disturb schedules. If pairing fails, try this key tip. Restart both watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and if needed, reinstall the app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.